Fables of Aesop. Fable 17. The Swallow and Other Birds. A farmer was sowing his field with flax. The swallow observed it, and desired the other birds to assist her in picking the seed up and destroying it, telling them that flax was that pernicious material of which the thread was composed which made the fowler's nets, and by that means contributed to the ruin of so many innocent birds. But the poor swallow, not having the good fortune to be regarded, the flax sprung up, and appeared above the ground. She then put them in mind once more of their impending danger, and wished them to pluck it up in the bud, before it went any further. They still neglected her warning, and the flax grew up into the high stalk. She yet again desired them to attack it, for that it was not yet too late. But all that she could get was to be ridiculed and despised for a silly, pretending prophet. The swallow, finding all her remonstrances availed nothing, was resolved to leave the society of such unthinking, careless creatures, before the hemp was woven into nets for their destruction. So, quitting the woods, and forsaking the conversation of the birds, she has ever since made her abode among the dwellings of men. Moral. Prevention is better than cure. Application. How comparatively few misfortunes assail men without some premonitory signs of their impending visitation. The black cloud, in most cases, casts its shadows before, yet men shut their eyes to the threatened danger, and pursue their own course till the possibility of prevention has passed away. This fable implies that they who have no foresight of their own, or who despise the wholesome advice of friends, deserve to suffer from the misfortunes which their folly, obstinacy, or oversight bring upon them. He that will not be counselled cannot be helped. Thought.